Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Parker at McDonald Buick GMC Cadillac. We are your Atlantic Canada GMC giant. It is time for a very special Car Tip Tuesday. It's Groundhog Day. And old Shubenacadie Sam did not see a shadow, so he's calling for an early spring. And with early spring, to me, comes spring cleanup. So I want to show you a quick little tip today on how to clean the inside of your vehicle. And say you don't have one of those fancy Armor All wipes or something like that, you can use a coffee filter. You probably all got Keurig machines for Christmas or your birthday and have a bag of these kicking around because you're using little K-cups now. So these are fantastic for wiping down the plastics on the inside of your car. Takes off the dust, lickety split, just like so. Works great. If you wanted to give it kind of that shine, you can also put on a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can put that on. Just don't make it too goopy and wet, and you'll get that shine again. Don't do your steering wheel because it'll be all crazy slippery, and you don't want that. Hope you found the tip useful. Thanks for watching, and until next week, speed safe.